What's up guys, it's boy Little Smooth. Welcome back again to another reaction video, man. For those who are new to the channel, please roll the intro. For those who are new, man, subscribe down below, man. Hit the bell button. Road to 100,000 subscribers from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much for watching, guys. This video is in World Star. And somebody said, Razi, go watch this video right now and react. That's why we're here today, man. So for those who don't know, man, this video is about political issues in Mongolia. Corruption. Dirty money. It's all about the money. Let's get into it, baby. Let's go. Mongolian tears. That's why I'm crying right now. Woo! Almost choked. Tamir. Mongolian tears, man. What do they have for us today? Mongolian tears.
Israel.
Okay, the video was not shot in Mongolia. It's a fact. In America. Let's go. I love the visuals already. Let's go. Hey, it's going down. Hey, hey.
People Чингис хаанаас илгээсэн хайлах жинхэнэ Монгол ферц үргэл хайлах газар шороо шигээ ухаамын
I see some stuff burning. So somebody said they should make weed legal in Mongolia. Make it legal, baby. What a chilled vibe. That dog looks scary. It looks scared as well. Hey. I remember the first time I was watching Mongolian videos. I'll wait. Hey. Let's go. You win. That's cool, man. That is cool, man. Hey. crazy production, man. The video is too sick. The visual is too sick. Lemonade. It's amazing, man. Your album is coming out soon, my brother. That's too good, man. Nice, man. The video is all the way up in Worldstar, man. That was a big one, man. Mongolian Tears, what do you guys think down below? As I was saying, I remember the first time I was reacting to Mongolian music videos, and someone said to me, "You black, you don't know Mongolian." I was like, it's still hip-hop though, and hip-hop has no color. Maybe it's black. See you guys next time, brothers. Peace.
Чихэнхний нууртаас ирсэн пистакуудыг болж өгөл буудгаас гिचигийн аваад мэн болгон шонгуудаас одон угсаагийн шууд бодон мэн цуусаар бүдүүн пистакуудаа цаг үеийн дуусаа нэлгэрчлийн гарагтаас шүтэрээ зуусан нэгдэх хүн бол писта ганцаараа шахаас